Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are reviewing the Yuneec Mantis Q. So make sure to stick around for the entire video, that way you get all the information you need on this drone. Today we're going to be discussing whether this drone is still relevant in 2020. So right off the bat, everyone, in this box right here, this is the box it comes with, you get those extra blades, the charger, the instruction manual, the controller, and this drone right here. And this thing used to be $500 when it first came out years ago, but now you can find it on Walmart for about $160, which is a complete steal in my opinion. So I guess let's start with the camera first. The photo and video quality is 4K, but when enabling electronic image stabilization, the quality drops to 1080p. However, you can do this 1080p in 60 frames per second. Although not having a gimbal, this brushless quad, yes, it is a brushless quad, produces amazing photos and videos. As long as the weather isn't too crazy terrible, you should be good because this thing has an amazing camera. So if you're worried about the weight, it is less than 500 grams. And the advertised range for this drone is 4,900 feet. But due to interference in your flying area, such as buildings and other structures, you're probably not going to get that, but it's still got a pretty good range. Again, I would not go with these advertised specs because they like to inflate their numbers, but the advertised flight time, you're supposed to get 25 minutes. We'll see about that. I mean, if it gets over 20 minutes, that would be pretty impressive. And the max speed in sport mode is 44 miles an hour. This drone has an app that you need to download in order to fly it, and I will put that app right here. So that is the app, Yuneec Pilot. If you buy this drone, you need to download that app in order to fly it. This is the remote right here, and you unfold this and you place your cell phone in here. Luckily, you don't need to take your case off, which is a nice little addition that they added. It comes with a micro SD card as well, so that's nice that you don't have to buy your own for this drone. And it's meant to compete with the DJI Spark, this one right here. So we will see. If this video does well, I'll do a video comparing the differences between the two and which one is better. So make sure to smash the like button. Alright guys, so we have a little bit of a problem right now. If you don't know, I am recording this video on Thursday, December 17th, and tomorrow is Friday, which is when this video is supposed to go public. And up here in Detroit, Michigan, this is what the weather looks like. Alright guys, so here is my plan for the video. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show some photos that I took with this drone when I first got it about a week ago. The only time I flew it too, it was pretty windy out, so a couple of these pictures may look blurry, but I did get a couple of very nice photos that I can show you guys. Now, I'm going to split this video up into a review, which is going to be this video, and I'll do a second video, which will be the flight test, kind of like what I did with the Holystone HS510. I'm going to do the same concept with this video. So anyways, let's take a look at those photos that I took with the Mantis Q. Alright, so those were the images. Now I do have videos, but I'm not going to bother showing them because it was very windy when I flew them about a week ago. It was about a week ago when I flew this thing and I took these photos and videos, and it was very windy and it was shaking the drone around a lot. And this doesn't have a great gimbal or a real gimbal. It's got a little bit of dampening right here, but it's not a real gimbal. So the videos were extremely shaky, so it wouldn't really do this thing justice, because this has a great camera and I'm actually very impressed with it. But the photos were kind of dark, so I had to add some filters and make it a little bit brighter. So that's that on the camera quality of this drone. So when I flew this, I didn't drain the battery completely, but I was able to do some research, and you actually do get about 25 minutes out of it. It is advertised at 33 minutes, as you can see on the box over here. Right here, it is advertised at 33 minutes, but you get about 25. That's still pretty good. To be honest, I'm very impressed with 25 minutes out of this drone. So I also have to give credit where credit is due. When I was flying this, and I was already telling you guys how windy it was, the actual drone was stable. I know the photos and videos weren't stable, but the drone wasn't flopping around in the air like craziness. So the photos were shaky because all it takes is a slight bit of push on the gimbal, or gimbal, we'll put that in quotes. So the photos and videos, well, mainly the videos weren't great, but the actual stability of the drone is somewhat solid. Like I said, I only flew this thing for about 10 minutes, but from those 10 minutes, I gathered that this drone has a great camera, and just by the look of this drone, it has a great build. This is a solid build for a quadcopter. Very nicely made, definitely expensive, and the price it's going for right now is around $200. So that is a steal. Just look right here how nice of a quality this drone is. It's very nice. And you get the SD card with it. Although the battery isn't not a smart battery, you still get a charger and the battery, and you have 2 more spots to add batteries to the charger. I'll show you that right now. Alright everyone, so here is the charger right here, and this piece right here plugs into this, which you put your battery in and it charges. So we would put our battery in here like that. Then you would plug this end right here, this end in there, and it would charge it. This light would be flashing green, and then it would be solid green when it's fully charged, and it would make a loud and long beep. That's what I was trying to say. I tested the return to home on this, and it was pretty accurate. It was within a couple feet, so the return to home and GPS features were very strong. The calibration process was super easy. It walked me through the process step by step, so I don't really need to demonstrate that for you guys. If you buy this drone, it will show you how to calibrate itself, so it's very easy and straightforward. Like I said, guys, I'm sorry I'm not able to take this guy out for a flight, but it's snowing and it's freezing outside, so that's just not going to happen for this review. But I will make a flight demo video for this once the weather warms up a little bit. It doesn't have to be perfect outside, it just can't be a blizzard outside, which it kind of is right now, so that's unfortunate. But I will get a flight test video out for this, so subscribe to the channel. That way you get notified when I upload this new video for the flight test. Like I said, guys, stay tuned to my YouTube channel. That way you can see this guy in action. But thank you for watching this video until the end. Consider subscribing. I have many more drone reviews on my channel where I actually take the drone out and fly it. So that's something that you should check out, is my other videos. Like I said, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. If you're still here, thanks. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.